Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to live stream to YouTube on your PlayStation 4. Now the first thing we want to do is go up to settings right here and select this. Then go to account management. Then under here, let's go to linked services. And we have to find YouTube and link our YouTube account under here. So go on down to where it says YouTube and then go to link services. And you'll have to type in your email address and your password for your YouTube account and then accept all the permissions. And it should say it's now linked to YouTube and you can go to OK. Now what we want to do is go back and then go to the settings menu once again and go on down to sharing and broadcasting right here and select this and then go on down to broadcast settings. Then under here, let's go to advanced setting. Then we have the option to include our camera in our broadcast. So if we have the PlayStation 4 camera, check mark this box right here on the top. Then we can go to audio sharing setting and we can include our microphone audio in the broadcast, as well as if we go to share party audio. So if we have friends that we want to include in our live stream, make sure we have that box check marked as well. Then we can back out of here. Then we can display messages on the screen. So on the side of the screen, there will be a text chat box right here that we can read when people comment and stuff. Then also we do have the option for comments to speech. So if someone is texting on the side of the screen or something like that, we can hear it read off loud by like an AI generated voice, and we can hear it in our headset. So we have those two options to respond to our chat. Now, if you're going to be playing like a multiplayer game or something like that, you may also want to have a party chat opened up, or you might want to go to this option right here that says mute game voice chat. So if you're talking, people in the game can't hear you speak or anything like that. If you turn this on, your voice won't be heard and you won't hear the voices of other players. Otherwise, what you could do is go on down to party and start up a party chat and just make it a closed party. And there's one option under here that we want turned on. So let's go to party audio setting right here and select this. Then go on down to always allow your voice to be shared. Now your friends have to have this on as well if you want to hear them in your live stream. So you're gonna have to tell your friends to do this. And this says always allow your voice to be included in other players' broadcasts and video clips. So if they don't have this on, you won't be able to hear them in your live stream. Now we can finally start live streaming. So we have to open up a game or application first. So here's Sonic Mania. Then once we have the game opened up, I'm going to press the share button and then open up this side menu. And we can go on down to broadcast gameplay right here and select this. Now let's go to YouTube. Now on the top, we have the option to include our microphone audio and broadcast. We can display the comments right here. Then we can change the title right here. So I'm going to just erase this a little bit. I haven't played this in a long time in live stream. Then here's my description. Then you have the quality. I have 720p high. I can go up to 720 60 frames per second. And it says the privacy is public. So as soon as you start live streaming, anyone's going to be able to watch you. Then you can add your tags and include your online ID. And then you can send invites to players. And you can share a link on Twitter. So just go to start broadcasting and you should be good to go. Now to stop broadcasting, what you want to do is hold down the share button once again, and you'll go to the screen and you should be able to stop broadcasting by selecting one of these options on the side. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.